I had a thought which I wanted to share. People often struggle to balance pursuing their happiness and pleasing people, such as their relatives. The issue with following social media, fashion and culture is that it will cause one to adopt an extremist attitude. They will either swing to one side whereby they pursue the pleasure of people, which is something advocated by many cultures. This will only cause one to behave like a headless chicken who rushes between serving different masters in order to please them. But as people are different, what pleases one person will upset another. So this person will never please everyone and therefore never obtain peace of mind or body themselves. Or they will swing to the other extreme side, whereby they stop caring about the rights of others and their feelings, and instead only pursue their own desires in an attempt to obtain peace of mind. They will refuse to listen to any constructive criticism, something which is required for the positive development of a person and a society. They will neglect their responsibilities in respect to others, which will only lead to further problems for them and the rest of society. In pursuing their desires, they will easily forget Allah, the Exalted, as they are too busy using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to themselves, as they no longer care about anything else. This will lead to a loss of peace of mind and body. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
The one who follows social media, fashion and culture will always swing from one extreme to another. The only way to achieve a balanced state of mind and body is to obey Allah, the Exalted, the creator of the human mind and body. When one does this, they will prioritize pleasing him above all else. As a result, they will not rush from person to person seeking to please them. Instead, they will fulfill the rights of others according to the teachings of Islam, as this is what Allah, the Exalted, has commanded, but they will not expect nor hope for any payback or gratitude from people. So whether people are pleased with them or not does not matter, as they aim to please Allah, the Exalted, in all their affairs. But as they obey Allah, the Exalted, they will not wrong others and instead fulfill their rights. They will accept any constructive criticism, as long as it runs in line with the teachings of Islam. This will lead to a positive improvement in their conduct towards Allah, the Exalted, and people. As they aim to please Allah, the Exalted, they will use their blessings in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will lead to a balanced state of mind, which leads to peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 And now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.